Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I film a bunch of cute girly videos, so if that's something that you like, make sure you subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you. Welcome back. We are doing such a fun video today. I've been getting so much wish list love lately and I just have to share. Because opening my wish list items is something that is just so fun to me. It almost feels like Christmas or my birthday. I don't know, it just feels so special to me. And I have a ton of packages that I need to open. So let's hang out for a little bit while I open up my stuff. These are all the items we're opening up today. I am so excited right now. And let's jump right in. I'm gonna start with this little package because it dropped on the floor, so you know, we're gonna give her the attention that she wants. First up, it is this cute little top. It's a lacy little, like, almost like a sports bra, but it's like a cross between a sports bra and a little crop top. It's so cute. I wanted this specifically to wear under this like sheer pink little top that I have. This one feels like a box, so we're gonna do her next. Let's take a moment to appreciate this cute print on this box. Oh my goodness, the packaging, adorable. Look at this. It comes in like a little satin bag. It says the secret ingredient is always love. I believe these are kitchen utensils, and they are, oh my goodness, you guys. Should I take them out of the bubble wrap? I'm gonna take them out of the bubble wrap to show you guys. My kitchen is all girlied out. I have pink everything, like a pink air fryer, pink toaster, pink everything. And I got this cute little kitchen set to add to my pink kitchen. It has a little potato peeler, a little garlic tool. How freaking cute. These little bean saws, and I'm not gonna lie, these are a lot smaller than I thought, but very cute. A little pizza cutter, an ice cream scooper, and a whisk, and this little shredder. Like, this is gonna look too cute in my kitchen. This is perfect. And also this can opener. That was much needed because my can opener just like fell apart last week. Like it just, this thing fell off of it, this thing fell off of it, and it just like collapsed. She's been through a lot, obviously. Okay, next up we have a little clothing item. Oh my goodness. Look at how adorable. This is a pink little tennis skirt. You guys know I love a good little tennis skirt vibe. Love this. This is so adorable and I love the color. It's a little mauve color. I'm going to put this to the side so I can do a little try on haul later. I'm very curious to know what's in here because it almost feels like there's nothing in there. Ooh, there was two in this one, and it's another lingerie set and something blingy. Ooh, it has chains. Ooh. It's a 4-piece set. Here is the top. How sexy. These little chains are very light though, and the bra is attached to them. And I'm pretty top heavy, so I don't know how long that's gonna last. It has a little garter, and these other little garters that go on your actual thigh. How freaking cute. And of course, the matching panties. As for this, I don't really want to like open it. Okay, what is it? This is a whole bodysuit, you guys. Like a little rhinestone body set. I think that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure. I have to go back and look at what was on my wish list because honestly, I put stuff on there randomly and then I kind of forget about it. So a lot of times I don't remember exactly what I put on there. The sound of opening Amazon packages, you can't beat it. Oh my goodness. How freaking cute is this? It's a little nail bracelet. These were very in style a long time ago. Like a really long time ago. I don't know how to open it. I cannot figure out how to open it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. That's a little small. It might be a little too small. Oh no, it fits. How cute is that? Love it. Oh, and I know what this is. A little cropped athletic jacket, and this has been coined the BBL jacket on TikTok. I actually have this one in black and I freaking love it. It is to die for. And I wanted to get it in pink to go with some of my little like tennis outfits. How does she look? She is too freaking cute. Let me go look in the mirror. She's cute. Not as snatched as the black one. I don't know if maybe I got this one in a bigger size, but she's gonna go cute with my little tennis outfits. Oh my god, how cute. Okay, so this is a little hole punch. You guys probably can't tell, but it's a heart hole punch, not a regular old boring circle hole punch. It's a little heart one. I love to journal. I have my little planner. I have my notebooks. And one thing I didn't have was a hole punch. Now I do. Ooh, what is this? Okay, so this is a bodysuit and it's having a little fringe moment. Y'all know I love me my little cowboy boots and my cowboy hats. This is gonna look so cute with it. What do we have here? We have some more bling. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. Look at her. She's a little night bag and I'm going to Vegas, you guys. I'm going to Vegas soon and this is for my Vegas trip. Like, doesn't this just give Las Vegas and like casino and all of that? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. We have a black item. Oh, this one's soft. Oh, another Vegas item. This one I don't know if she's gonna fit. Oh. I didn't realize it came apart like that. Okay, so this is a little like velvet dress. Boom. And then she has this sleeve, which I thought was connected. Okay, so I'm going to put her on to show you guys like the vibes. And then she has these suede gloves. Stop it. Oh, these are tight. Y'all know I have fat arms. Okay, so picture this on this side and this little velvet dress with some little tights and some shoes that I also ordered that should be somewhere in these gifts to pair with this. Don't worry, I'm not going to put it on right now, but I will be doing a little like Vegas outfits haul. I will be trying on and showing you guys what I'm taking and wearing to Vegas, so fear not. And this is our last item. It's also a clothing item. Okay, so it is these yoga pants. And when I put them up to me, they're not looking too short, honestly. So it just might be me. They were like the top buy for Amazon yoga pants, I think. So pretty. They have this little strip strap. This is more of like a dark green color to me. Not a dark green, like a sage green. And I thought I was getting like a tan, like a light khaki. But it's supposed to look amazing and make your booty look great. So I will just have to make my mind up about it once I try it on. And that was all for this wish list haul, you guys. Tell me not everything was to die for. If you bought these items, thank you. I freaking love you so much. But you know that already because I personally already wrote you and said thank you for all of this. Y'all are the best. I love doing this video. I actually think I'm gonna do this like on a weekly basis because this was just so much fun, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, let me know which item was your favorite. Subscribe, hit the little bell for the notification so you don't miss any of my videos now that I'm posting a lot more consistently. Have y'all been able to tell? Because your girl has been killing it on the YouTube game, I just want to say. And of course, click the little link in my description box so you guys can follow me on all of my socials. I will also link my wish list below in case you want to take a little dip in my wish list. And I will see you guys soon.